Hello there, lovely souls. We're so glad to have you here with us today in our cozy guide on how to naturally nurture your hair to become strong and simply radiant. Your tresses feeling a bit dull and lackluster? Are you on the hunt for some gentle ways to enhance your hair's health through nature's bounty? Well, if you're nodding along, you've found your haven. Today, we're going to whisper some secrets into your ears, secrets that could help transform your hair into a shining crown, the natural way. We'll softly tread into the world of balanced diets and their role in hair health, wander through the garden of natural shampoos, discuss the blessings of natural oils and other products, and gently guide you on how to shield your hair from the harshness of heat and chemicals. And let's not forget about the often overlooked corner of stress and its effect on your peaceful scalp. So, my dears, cozy up, get your notepad ready, and let's gently swim in the ocean of natural hair care. Remember, the pathway to your amazing transformation starts from within your beautiful self. Ever wondered why your hair lacks shine or strength? It might be your diet. Yes, you heard it right. The key to lustrous, strong hair doesn't come from an expensive shampoo or fancy salon treatment. It's about what you're putting in your body. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in our hair health. Just like any other part of the body, the cells and processes that support strong, vibrant hair depend on a balanced diet. So let's delve into the 5 essential nutrients your hair is craving. First up, we have protein. Hair is primarily made of protein, making it essential for healthy hair. Foods like eggs, lean meats, and legumes are excellent sources of protein you can consider incorporating into your meals. Next, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats found in fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds help nourish the hair and support thick, shiny hair growth. Your hair also loves vitamins, particularly vitamins A and C. Both are vital for hair growth. They help produce sebum, an oily substance that provides a natural conditioner for a healthy scalp. Spinach, broccoli, and any yellow-orange colored fruits and vegetables are rich in these vitamins. Then we have biotin, a water-soluble B vitamin. Too little biotin can lead to hair thinning. Avocados, almonds, and sweet potatoes are a few biotin-rich foods you can add to your diet. Lastly, we can't forget about iron. Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen to your cells, including the cells that stimulate hair growth. Iron-rich foods include red meat, spinach, and oysters. Incorporating these nutrients into your daily meals can make a significant difference in your hair health. Remember, variety is key, so try to include a mix of these foods in your diet for best results. After all, beautiful hair begins with what's on your plate. Tired of commercial shampoos stripping your hair of its natural oils? Consider these natural alternatives. In our quest for vibrant, shiny hair, we often overlook the most fundamental aspect of hair care: cleansing. But what if the shampoos we've been using are doing more harm than good? Many commercial shampoos contain harsh chemicals that strip our hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. That's where gentle, natural cleansers come into play. First up, apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple can be a hair care hero, balancing your scalp's pH level while adding shine. Just mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Apply to your scalp and rinse after a few minutes. Your hair will feel squeaky clean without the dryness of a typical shampoo. Next, consider herbal rinses. They're easy to make at home with herbs like chamomile, rosemary, or nettle. Just steep your chosen herbs in hot water, let it cool, then use it as a final rinse after washing your hair. Herbal rinses can nourish your hair and soothe your scalp, depending on the herbs you use. Third on our list is aloe vera gel. Not only is this plant great for soothing sunburns, but it's also a fantastic cleanser for your hair. It hydrates and cleanses without stripping your hair of its natural oils. Apply the gel directly to your scalp, massage it in, and rinse thoroughly. Remember, everyone's hair is different, so what works for one person might not work for you. Trial and error is key when finding the perfect natural shampoo alternative. Embrace these natural cleansers for healthier, happier hair. Dry, brittle hair can be a thing of the past with these DIY hair masks. Moisture is the key to healthy hair. It's like the hydration your body needs to function properly, but for your locks. When your hair is well moisturized, it's less prone to breakage, and it appears shiny and lustrous. Now, let's dive into the world of homemade hair treatments. I'll share 5 fabulous recipes with you, each harnessing the power of natural ingredients. First up, we have the coconut oil mask. Coconut oil is a powerhouse of hydration, penetrating deep into the hair shaft to infuse it with moisture. Melt some coconut oil, let it cool, and then massage it into your hair. Wrap your hair in a warm towel and let the oil work its magic for about 30 minutes. Next, we have a honey mask. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it locks in moisture. Mix equal parts honey and olive oil, then apply to your hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes, and then rinse it out for silky, shiny hair. Our third mask involves the creamy goodness of avocado. Packed with healthy fats and vitamins, avocado nourishes and strengthens hair. Mash an avocado, mix in some olive oil, and apply to your hair. After 20 minutes, rinse it out for super soft, super nourished hair. Fourth, we have the aloe vera mask. Aloe is known for its soothing properties and can help calm an irritated scalp while also hydrating hair. Mix some aloe vera gel with a carrier oil of your choice. Apply to your hair and rinse after 30 minutes. Finally, we have the banana mask. Bananas are rich in potassium and can help to strengthen hair and prevent breakage. Mash a ripe banana, mix with a bit of honey, and apply to your hair. After 20 minutes, rinse it out for stronger, healthier hair. Each of these masks can be tailored to your hair's specific needs and preferences. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly treating your hair to these moisture-boosting masks can help to maintain its health and vitality. Give your hair the hydration it craves with these natural treatments. Love styling your hair but hate the damage? Here are some tips to protect your tresses. We all know the allure of a good blowout or the transformative power of a fresh hair color, but these styling methods often come with a cost. Heat styling tools and chemical treatments can wreak havoc on your hair, causing dryness, breakage, and dullness. Heat from styling tools strips away your hair's natural moisture, leaving it dry and brittle. Chemical treatments, on the other hand, can alter the structure of your hair, making it weak and prone to damage. These methods, while effective in achieving your desired style, can lead to long-term damage that leaves your hair less than lustrous. But don't worry, there are ways to minimize this damage while still achieving the style you love. First off, consider air drying your hair whenever possible. This method allows your hair to retain its natural moisture, keeping it healthy and vibrant. If you must use heat, always apply a heat protectant beforehand. These products form a protective barrier on your hair, reducing the amount of damage caused by heat. Opting for low heat styling methods can also help maintain your hair's health. For instance, try using a diffuser when blow drying to distribute heat evenly and reduce the risk of heat damage. Alternatively, consider heatless styling methods like braiding or twisting your hair overnight to achieve waves or curls without the heat. Another major culprit of hair damage is frequent coloring. While changing up your hair color can be fun, it's important to give your hair a break between treatments. If you want to experiment with color, consider gentle, semi-permanent options that don't contain harsh chemicals. Finally, don't underestimate the power of alternative styling methods. Braids, twists, and updos not only look great, but also protect your hair by reducing exposure to environmental stressors and minimizing the need for heat and chemical treatments. Keep your hair stylish and strong with these protective methods. Did you know stress can affect your hair? Let's delve into some stress management techniques for better hair health. You see, stress can wreak havoc on your hair. It can cause hair loss, dullness, and even dandruff. But don't worry, there are ways to combat these issues. One of those ways is through stress management. When you manage your stress, not only do you feel better, but your hair can thrive as well. How does stress impact your hair, you ask? Well, when we're stressed, our bodies produce a hormone called cortisol. High levels of cortisol can disrupt the growth phase of your hair cycle, leading to hair loss. It can also cause inflammation, which can lead to dandruff and an itchy scalp. Now let's talk about some ways to reduce stress and promote scalp health. First up, meditation. This practice allows you to quiet your mind and reduce cortisol levels. Just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Next, consider scalp massages. Not only are they relaxing, but they also stimulate blood flow to your scalp, promoting hair growth. You can do this yourself or treat yourself to a professional massage. Aromatherapy is another fantastic stress reducer. Essential oils like lavender and peppermint have been shown to lower cortisol levels. Plus, they can make your hair smell amazing. Yoga is another great tool for stress reduction. It combines physical activity with mindfulness, helping you to feel more grounded and less stressed. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of deep breathing exercises. They can help you to feel calmer and more relaxed. And when you're relaxed, your hair can grow in peace. Remember, it's not just about taking care of your hair on the outside, but also nurturing your well-being from within. Prioritize self-care and mindfulness practices, not only for the sake of your hair, but for your overall well-being. Healthy hair is a reflection of a healthy mind. Take time for self-care and see the difference in your hair. Well, that's a wrap on our natural hair care tips. We've journeyed through the power of a balanced diet, the gentleness of natural cleansers, the magic of DIY hair masks, the wisdom in protective styling, and the importance of stress management. Each of these elements contributes to healthier and happier hair. Remember, your hair is a reflection of your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more secrets to level up your life. Until next time, keep shining.